Good morning, all. In code generation, we are having another topic, basic blocks and flow graphs. So, basic block is one where we have set of instruction. A basic blocks which can be consisting of set of instructions. It will have single entry and single exit. The basic blocks which can be consisting of only single entry and single exit. All the instructions executed simultaneously without any loop. In a basic blocks, all of the instructions are executed simultaneously without any loop. For example, if you think that these are the set of instructions, all of the instructions which can be consisting of only one entry and one exit. In this basic block, the first instruction is always called as leader. The first instruction is can be called as a leader, and we need to find the set of leaders in the sequence of instructions. For example, if we are having the n number of instructions, out of the n number of instructions we can find what are the leaders, and we have to find the basic block, See, we are having an algorithm to find the basic blocks, to find the leaders as well as basic blocks. That algorithm, the input of this algorithm is sequence of 3 address code, and output of this algorithm is list of basic blocks. And we can require 3 different types of the methods, and these are the instructions. These are the set of instructions. Here we are having the 17 number of instructions. Out of the 17 number of instructions, we can find what are the leaders in the instruction and how the basic blocks can be consisted. So in this algorithm, we are having the different types of the methods. Those are the 3 methods. The first method is first instruction in the 3 address code is a leader, and the second one is any instruction, that is target of conditional or unconditional jump. And third instruction, any instruction that is immediately follows a conditional or unconditional jump. These are the 3 methods which can be used to find the leaders. So out of the 3 methods, the first instruction is a leader. The first instruction here, the first instruction is a leader. The first statement of this instruction is a leader. Second one, any instruction that is target of conditional or unconditional jump. Here we are having what are the conditional or unconditional jump statements here. Here we are having the go to statements. The go to statements are the unconditional statements. So here we can require, out of the 17 instructions, we are having here 3 unconditional statements. Those are go to 3, go to 2, go to 13. So nothing but by using the first method, the first statement is a leader, and we are having 3 unconditional statements: go to 3, go to 2, go to 13. So 3 comma 2 comma 13, and these 3 are the leaders. And by using the third statement, any instruction that is immediately follows a conditional or unconditional. After a conditional or unconditional statement, the next instruction is also a leader. So here we are having go to 3, the go to 3 which can be consisting of instruction number 9. So any instruction that the immediate statement of the go to is 10. So 10 is a leader. The immediate statement of the go to is 10 is the leader. Here go to the instruction number 11 is 11 which can be consisting of go to 2, and the instruction 12 is a leader. The instruction 12 is a leader, and we are having the last statement go to 13. So by after 17 we are having note instruction, so leave it. So the statements, the instruction 1, instruction 3, instruction 2, instruction 13, instruction 10, instruction 12 are the leaders. Out of the 17, these are the leaders. See, by using the first method, the first statement, the first instruction is the leader. This is the method. By using the method 1, we can getting the 1 leader, and by using the method 2, go to 3, go to 2, go to 13, go to 3, go to 2, go to 13. By using the method 2, we can require 3 different types of the leaders, and by using the method 3, immediately follows. So 10 and 12 are the leaders. 10 and 12 are the leaders. So instruction 1 is the leader, instruction 2 is the leader, instruction 3 is the leader, instruction 10 is the leader, instruction 13 is the leader, as well as instruction 12 is the leaders. These are the leaders in a basic blocks. Now we can find what are the basic blocks. So the basic blocks, the statement 1, the instruction 1, it is a basic block. The instruction 1 is a basic block. And the instruction 2, it is a leader, it is a basic block. And instruction 3, so here the instruction 3 is a leader, and the next instruction is, the next leader is 10. So from instruction 3 to instruction 9, it can be taken as one block. Instruction 3 to instruction 9, which can be taken as one block. So 1 is a leader, statement 1 is a leader, statement 2 is a leader, from statement 3 is a leader, and the statement 10 is a leader. So from the statement 3 to statement 9, this block can be taken as, these statements can be, the combination of these statements can be taken as one block. After 10 and the next leader is 12. So 10 and instruction 10 and instruction 11 can be taken as one block. Instruction 10 and instruction 11 can be taken as one block. Next statement 12 is it is a separate block. Statement 12, why? Because the next leader is 13. So instruction 12 can be taken as one block. From instruction 13 to 17, which can be taken as separate block, which can be taken as separate block. So here we can require block 1 and B1, block 2 and B3, block 3 and B4, block 4, B5, block 5 and B6, block 6. So out of the 17 instruction, we can require 6 blocks here. Out of the 17 instruction, we can require 6 blocks. So we can find, next we can find the flow graph. How to draw a flow graph? So this is, so by using the above, we can get B1 and B2 and B3 and B4 and B5, block 5 and block 6. So we can getting the 6 blocks, and by using the 6 blocks, we can draw a flow graph. So block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5 and block 6, 6 blocks. And see here, now we have a go to statement at number, we are having the go to statement at number 3. We are having a go to statement at number 3. So we make a transition to the block 3. We can make a transition to the block 3. We are having the go to statement at number 3. So we make a transition to block 3. So number 3 to block 3 is a go to. Next we have a go to statement at number 2. So we have a transition to block 2. Go to 2. So go to 2. So from go to 2 to block 2, we can draw a transition to 2 to block 2. Next we make a go to statement at go to 13. So we make a transition to block 13. So 13 to the 13th line. So self loops. So here we can get the 3 flow graphs from go to 3 to, so go to 3 to block 3, go to 3 to block 3, and go to 2 to block 2, 2 to block 2, and 13 to block nothing but 6. So finally we can getting the flow graphs. This is the flow graph, and it is the entry and it is the exit. So this is the flow graph from basic blocks. Thank you.